It is an invention in response to a given theme, namely, a 20-inch container must be in running condition, in expandable condition to have a usable area of 24 square meters, to be actuated only mechanically, without electronics. It should not require supports on the expanded rooms. All useful equipment must be fixed in the final use position, to fold/expand within 1 minute. About action. A central bar operated by a reducer was used, equipped at each end with a pinion. In their turn, the pinions are in gear with 2 superimposed racks each. The 2x2 racks in symmetrical movement and in opposition actuate the 2 mobile rooms. The sliding plane of the expandable rooms is common and is materialized by bearings placed on the contour of the floor of the central room. In the sliding movement of the mobile rooms, a hand drill with a battery or a manual crowbar is sufficient. About placing the expanded rooms in the console. A symmetrical vertical sliding T positioned in the longitudinal vertical symmetry plane of the central container was used to fix the head of the expandable rooms. 2 equal and parallel bars are attached to each wing of the roof and to the floor of each expandable room, as part of a deformable parallelogram. When the movable floors move symmetrically, they are permanently kept parallel to the wings of the T, because this is what makes the parallelogram deformable, namely, it permanently keeps the sides 2x2 parallel. So the expandable rooms will be permanently parallel to the floor of the central room regardless of the tasks they have to face. For this reason, mobile rooms in an expanded state do not require supports neither when stationary nor when moving. About the placement of the equipment. The imposed condition was that the central floor and the floors of the expanded rooms should be coplanar, and the equipment should be positioned on the central floor and on the walls of the mobile rooms. The solution found was to speculate on the feather effect exerted by the movable floors on a central floating floor. The wedges positioned on the front of the mobile floors act on some bearings on the contour of the floating central floor, which it lifts over the mobile floors in the container folding phase and places it in line with those in the fully expanded mobile chamber phase. Thus, the equipment can be fixed in the position of use both on the mobile floating floor and on the walls of the mobile rooms.